Installing a Luminar 1000 or Azura 1.0 log set. Please read the instruction manual that came with your heater. First, the backlog. Make sure the 3 knots are facing forwards and place the log carefully on the 2 pins at the back. Next, place the central log in the middle. It has a jumper that goes over the burner. Now, place the front left log. It has a cutout for the pilot. Please make sure this log clears the pilot. Then, the final log is placed front right. The Luminar 1000 has 2 cross logs. The first, placed on the left. It will sit across the small cutout, and the right-hand log sits in the cutouts on the right side. And now a completed Luminar 1000 or Azura 1.0 log set.